right, everybody.
When you go ahead.
I was just saying real quick, I have to get video footage of this. You guys do not know how long it's taken me, years to get my mom out here, to finally get her out here and teach my mom how to shoot. Okay? Start my mom simple, from scratch. Gotta see this. She's actually pretty good. This is the first time she's ever shot. She's already shot a couple shots. So I gotta get this on video. So, ready? Yep. Same deal. Yep. Just like I showed you. Thumbs forward. Make sure you got a firm grip. Fingers are grip. Nice pinch at the wrist. Get your sights lined up. Make sure the sight picture's lined up. When you're ready, press the trigger. There you go. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now. Go ahead. You ready again, Ma? Yep. Look at that. Trigger in the same position. There you go. Make sure, yep, get it high on the gun. I got to tell you, seriously, guys, I see this. I've been teaching for years, and I see this. I'm telling you guys, women shoot better than men, especially first-time shooters, because they listen. I'm telling you. She's hitting this thing right. This is beautiful. Right, Ma? Yep. Now, that's fine, too, because you can put this finger here, too. That'll help manage recoil a little bit, too, if you're comfortable with it up there. Okay, if you're comfortable with it up there, that's totally fine.
What, up here?
Up here, no, not on the trigger.
Down there.
Right there, yeah. Either up front of the trigger guard or underneath the trigger guard. If it's comfortable there, that's totally fine. Okay, just make sure your fingers are firm. You got a firm grip in the shooting hand. You got a firm supportive grip in the support hand. Remember, your support hand works with your shooting hand equally. Get your sights lined up. Press until the gun goes bang. There you go. She's hit this paper every single shot. Where's your trigger finger go? Mechanical. That's the number one thing. This is the number one thing. It is, seriously. This is not it. It's just the number one habit that I have to teach all students. Everything I'm teaching for years is that trigger finger safety.
I thought this was to go back.
It'll go back once you load it. Here, I'm gonna give you another one. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the barrel downrange. Okay, turn it over. Okay, press the mag release button. Okay, press it. You gotta move your finger. There you go. Drop that. Here, I'm gonna give you another one. Same deal. Load it in the way it exits. Yep, just like that. It clicks. Where's the trigger finger go? Yep, same position. Okay, now you're gonna power. No, remember. There you go. Now, which way are you gonna do? You're gonna power rack this, or you're gonna slide rack. If you slide rack this, then you can press that down. This button down.
Press this down.
Yep. Now it's chambered.
Okay.
Okay, now remember, trigger, only one finger goes on that trigger. That's your shooting finger. Okay, your trigger finger. Now go ahead and get your grip. Yep, just like I showed you. Wait, sights ain't on yet. There you go. Yep. You got just a little bit more because it's going to help you absorb that recoil. Okay, get your sights lined up. Nice firm grip. Make sure you firm grip because you don't want this. You want to manage this recoil. The more muzzle flip, it messes with the mechanics as far as blowback gas for it to cycle. It'll mess with that. So you want to make sure it's firm. And when you're ready, there you go. Where's that trigger finger? There you go. Like I said, when them sights leave your eyes, the trigger finger automatically goes to the same position.
Gun. Huh? I did a smaller gun.
I totally get it. This is a 9mm. You go lower than this is a 380. Anything under that, seriously, you just plink it. It's a 22. You plink it. But learning on this, the most popular handgun, the most popular caliber, this is where you learn. There you go. That trigger finger. There you go. Yep. Yep. Put the thumb over here on the on the frame. There you go. Ready? Remember,
this one right to the shoulder.
Yeah, that's okay. We got what? We got one more, I think. Two more, I think. I think we got two more because I put 5 in that one too. Okay. In that magnet. Get yourself set. Yep. There you go. There you go. Yep. Chief. Nice squeeze. Just a little squeeze. There you go. Firm. Nice little pinch. A little bit. Get your sights lined up. trigger finger. There you go. I think we got one more. I think we shot 4 so far. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's one more. Should be one more. Yep. Yep. Just like that. We're gonna work on the stance. Get your stance a little wider, a little wider. There you go. Get yourself. There you go. Get some balance. There you go. I know I don't have my eye protection on. I'm not worried about my eyes right now, guys. There you go.
Lord
Where's it go? Where's it go? Where's the trigger finger go?
Up there.
There you go.
Then
Yep, you just press it and drop that. Press it in, drop the mag. Check. Check the chamber. Make sure it's empty. There you go.
Okay.
Yep. That's it. So what do you think, Ma?
Not bad for first time.
First time my mom has ever shot. Seriously.
Not bad for first time.
My mom, born and raised country girl herself. First time she's ever shot. It took me years to get her out here today, finally. So, anyway, is that good, Ma?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad. I'm okay.
All right. Guys, seriously.
I'll do it. That was the first time. I'll do it again.
See, was it fun though?
Yeah.
Now did you learn, huh?
Yeah, it was.
It wasn't as bad as.
It was good to learn.
Right.
Yeah.
And it wasn't as bad as you thought.
No.
And this is the most popular caliber that most people shoot, 9mm, right here. And what you shot, and you hit that paper every single time. You hit it every time. I'm looking at the hits.
Cool.
You hit it. My mom hit it 10 out of 10. First time she's ever shot. We're standing like, I'm about 15, 16 feet, 17 feet right about here. She hit it every time. Seriously. So don't tell me you can't learn this stuff. Ladies, don't ever say you can't learn this. First time my mom's ever shot, okay? First time, all right? And she hit this paper. All it takes is good instruction. That's it. So I had to get this video, guys, to show you this because this is awesome for me. I'm geeked. I'm so geeked up. You know, finally get my mom back here to put some rounds down range and learn how to defend herself. I love it. I love it. So anyway, check me out on the next one, guys. I got another one coming here.